Here's for another vlog. First attempt DIY face mask. Hi guys, welcome to Living Positive Life and DIY. First thing to do is we need to cut a piece of fabric. 38 by 19 centimeter will be the measurement. After that, we need to fold in two and sew it on the side by 7 centimeter and leave the center open. As you can see, I am sewing it now. I stop at the center at the end of 7 centimeter and change the position to start at the end, the other side of the fabric, to make sure that the center will leave open. You might think it's a bit long, but it's a t-shirt easy. And I'm done. I don't have the regular garter for the face mask, so I'm using the 1/8 garter. I cut it depending on the size, or I measure my ear to my face to make sure that it will suit properly. Now I will be stitching both the end of the fabric, but before that, make sure that you inserted the garter inside out. Look carefully. As you can see, the edge of the fabric where I sewed was in the center. It should not be on the usual position. It should be in the center while you're sewing the rest of the edge, the open edge of the fabric. Bear in mind that the space we leave between the 7 inches should be still open, because that's where we flipped the fabric. I am not really a pro in sewing, but what I do is I repeat the back and forth sewing to make sure that it is filled. This is what I'm talking about. That space, small space, is the space between the 7 centimeter we leaved a while ago.
Pinakain ko nga. Eh, yung si ate yung tokwa niya. Hindi niya kainin yung tokwa.
Nakaraan pa, nandun pa yun? Nagugas na ako't lahat-lahat ha.
Oo nga eh, nagugas ka na lang. Ano na?
After I flipped it, this is how it should be look like. Now I will fold it. That will be the effect of the fabric of the face mask. But you know what, I did a mistake about folding. It should be folding at the end, every end, and almost meeting at the center, not meeting exactly at the center, since it will be tight in your face. Just leave a space and fold it at the center, fold it towards the center. Now I am sewing it, but please do it properly. I will be doing the next or another vlog for this. I hope it will be a correct vlog face mask, DIY face mask. Kinda hard for me to sew that, since my sewing machine is not for thick fabric. And Viola, this is the output.
Jumjubak, korahe!
Not perfect. Really not perfect. Especially the thread pattern. I'm sorry about that, but please watch my next vlog. I will redo it and make it perfect. Like and subscribe.